Hello and welcome to Picmaker. In this video, we will see how to use folders in Picmaker. Why do we need to know that? Without folders, our designs will be all over the place. Folders help us organize our designs and pictures, so we can get them when we need them. What are we waiting for? Let us go to our favorite design platform, Picmaker. Great. I have logged into my Picmaker's dashboard. I am on my starter plan here, and here is what I see on my dashboard. These are the most recent projects that I've worked on. I can see them all here by clicking on See All, or I can click on My Designs here and see all my projects in one go. There you go. We have all the projects that I worked on in the past here. Now, we already see a few folders that I have created here. In order to create a new folder, what I'll do is I'll click on the plus symbol here and I am going to create a folder called General, and I'm going to click on Create here. That's it, my folder has been created. Now I am going to move one of these designs into General. All that I have to do is drag and drop it into General. That's it. When I go and click this folder, I have this new design in here. Now, what can I do with these folders? I can move it to a different folder here, any of these other folders, or I can rename them, I can delete them, or I can share them. I'll have to enter the email IDs of my friends or my colleagues, and I'm ready to share with them. Now there is one more way of working with folders, and that is, imagine you're working on a design in Picmaker. On the left hand menu bar, click on Upload here, and you will notice all your recent pictures loading up here. You will also notice that there is a plus symbol here with the folder here. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to say General here as well. And I'm going to click on Create. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this logo into General folder, and I'm going to go back to this General folder, and I see my new logo has come in. I can just drag and drop it here. That's it. That's how easy it is. And that's how you create folders and use them. Do remember that folders are available to our users on our Starter, Pro and Enterprise plans. Feel free to reach us if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to answer. Until next time, thank you.